In this video, I will show you how to delete images from ChatGPT library. You can see I'm on the library and I have all these images and I want to delete some of them. Okay, so how you can do that? At first, you will go to ChatGPT. Then here you can see you have two options. You can go to your library. Then you can just click this image tab and you will see all the images you have generated previously. You can simply click this list tab or grid view to explore the view, and here you can see on the grid view you can choose any image. For example, here we need to delete this image. I can simply click here and you can simply click this delete button and now delete. So it's deleting and takes few seconds. Okay, the image is deleted. For example, if you want to use multiple images, you can see this is a icon here. So circle icon, you can just mark all the images you want to delete. Okay, so I will delete all of these stuff. Let me delete these on and these on. Okay, and now you can see here is the delete button. You will click here and now all of these images will be deleted. Okay, so here this way you can delete it, but if you want to delete more, you can see here is the list, and now you can just by following this click away and here and see one is selected. You can select more by following away. If you want to select everything, you can just click this name icon and then and see all the images selected. Right now you can delete everything at once by clicking this delete button.